G'day, how are you? So today I'm gonna cook chicken ribs, salt and pepper chicken ribs with a bit of chili, and be using a bit of corn flour, plain flour, and put them in the air fryer and see what happens. So we'll start off. We'll put a bit of corn flour in. That's too hard. I think I'll just tip it in. Bit of corn flour. Put a little bit of plain flour. Alright, we'll go a bit of salt. Gonna have to put a fair bit of salt and pepper. That's why it's called salt and pepper chicken ribs. Well, that might be enough, I hope. And chili flakes. If you don't like chili, don't put it in. I like it. Not too much. Give it a bit of a mix around. Right, see, chicken ribs. Just got a little bone in them. They're real good. I like using them. Righto. I've preheated the air fryer for about 5 minutes. Put a bit of spray on the bottom just so they don't stick. So get them and dust them off. Give them a bit of a dust off. Put them in. I don't know how these are going to work out. I haven't done them before. That's why the channel's called Just Winging It. Nothing's measured. We just go with it. Give it a bit of a spray with the oil on the top. There we are. Yep, that'll do. We'll go 190, I reckon, for 10 minutes. And we'll see what happens, see what's like after 10 minutes. All right, let's check it out. Yeah, I don't know. What do you reckon? It's going to need a little bit more cooking. I'll turn it over. I think the best way is turn it over, give it a spray, put it in for another 10 minutes. We'll have a look. Then we might have to crank it up. Or I might crank it up now. Don't know. We'll see. Let's just turn it over first. Give them another spray. I reckon I'm going to go to 200. for 10 minutes. And we'll see what happens. Alright, let's have a look. I'll give them a good spray. There we go. We'll go 200. Go 5 minutes because they shouldn't take that long to cook. Then we might have to turn them over and give the other side another 5 minutes. See what happens. Let's have a look. They look alright. I'm not cooking them anymore. They're probably overcooked. Probably too dry. Alright, let's give it a go. They seem crunchy. They're crunchy. Yeah, they're overcooked. A little bit more oil on them at the start. I should have coated them in a bit of oil, then put them in. Then they would have been really good. But, oh well, we'll give it a go. I'll see you on the next one.